Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and if not, then don't worry. I'm sending you lots of love and light. Guys, today this reading is going to be for Virgo collective, okay? So please keep in mind that this is a timeless and general reading, so take only what resonates with you. Alright, so let's get started. Let me just shuffle your cards. I'll cut the deck. Alright, so this card came Nine of Pentacles, crossed by the Queen of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, the Tower, King of Cups, Ten of Swords, Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the bottom of the deck you have Knight of Swords. Alright. So guys, at the bottom of the deck it's the Knight of Swords, which says about that you're thinking about taking action towards your goals and desires. Okay, but if I look at your reading, I would say that you need to take some more time and think thoroughly before taking any kind of action, because okay, let me first delve into your reading and then it will be easier to make you understand why I'm saying that. Okay, so currently you're in the situation of Nine of Pentacles, where you're working on your independence, you're working hard, staying strong and taking care of yourself, thinking about how to bring that stability for yourself. Okay, and Queen of Wands is the challenge actually, so which says about that you're thinking about taking what's the right course of action for that, how can I manifest that into my reality. Okay, so you're you're being very focused on building your own independence and financial stability, your singlehood basically. And here also it's the Queen of Wands, which is also a very fiery energy, so you have lots of enthusiasm within yourself and you're hoping to take that action, but I would say that you need to take some time and think a little bit more before you take any action. Okay, in your focus here is the Wheel of Fortune. You're thinking about how to bring that change to make things much better in your life. Okay, and in the recent past what happened is the Tower, something was falling down, something came falling down. Okay, the Tower moment happened, and because of which I think you are healing right now, you're in the process of healing. That's where your strength lies. What's happened, whatever epiphany you had at that time, there are some things that have been revealed to you, so now currently you're working on that aspect also. So I think here you're working on both the aspects, your material life also and your inner world also. Okay, here in your recent future you're going to have Ten of Swords, which means I feel like this is the end of that painful cycle which you're going through currently here. So this is this, and there may be for some of you it's the ending of one painful cycle, for some of you it's also a card of loss, some sort of loss that may happen. That's why also I'm saying that you need to be very careful before taking any action. Right now, just focus on your healing. Don't take any action in haste. Take your time. That's completely okay. Currently, you're in the energy of Seven of Cups, which means you have too many choices and you're confused which one to take and which one to leave. Okay, so that's why also I'm saying that don't take any action in this kind of mode. You really need to think thoroughly what's going to serve you in the longer run. Okay, the energy that's surrounding you is the Four of Wands. There are little moments that are available to you that can bring you that happiness. Okay, spend some time with your family, with your friends, with your co-workers, where you feel like you're being heard, you're being valued, you're you feel good with the company. So you need to spend that time and share your thoughts, your problems with them. So have a little bit of light time also in your life. So don't take life too seriously. Okay, and in your hopes and fears, you're hoping about planting some seeds which will give you fruitful results in your future. So this process needs patience. That's why you have to be very cautious. You have to be very clear about what is it that you want to build, because once you plant the seeds and it starts giving you results, you may not like it. So you have to be very careful before planting any before taking action on any plant. Basically, think thoroughly, take your time, be steady, be patient. Take one step at a time and strategically plan things and then take action. Okay, make a list of all the pros and cons that can give you better idea which option would be better for you. In a possible outcome, um, worry, there's a lot of worry in your mind, and possibly loss also. You're feeling a little bit of loss also, and this also comes with the because of taking an action in haste. So you really need to be very careful and take your time. Just focus on your healing and your long term goals. Sit and meditate with yourself, contemplate what exactly do you want in your life. Okay, currently you're very confused. You don't know what's the right thing to do, what's the right course of action. Okay, how to bring that balance in your life, in your outer world and your inner world. Okay, how to bring that long term stability, that fulfillment to yourself. Okay, so that's the message for you. Let me just pull one oracle card from the Ask Angel Oracles, and let me see what the universe has to say to you. Don't stop. Yeah, continue your healing, continue contemplating until you're really clear, until you're really very sure that this is what you want to do. Please continue your healing and your keep going, keep moving on your path. Okay, this is the message for you in the near future. Yes, there will be help that will come to you, but currently you just need to focus on your healing and becoming the best version of yourself. The more you heal inside, the more things will start aligning in your outer world. Okay, so that's what is the message here. Okay, just because a tower moment happened, that doesn't mean that everything's finished. No, tower is only here to remove all the unnecessary things from our life, to bring better things into our life. Okay, so don't be scared of those tower moments, but right now you really need to work on yourself. Okay, let me see what the moon has to say to you. The energy is gaining momentum. You've got 4 cards. Oh my god. The energy is gaining momentum. Okay. And then take time to breathe out. That's what I'm saying, that you really need to heal right now. Take time to breathe out. Spend some time with your family and friends. They will also help you. They will also give you some guidance to really come out of this situation. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum now. You're coming into better cycles. This is ending. For some people, this painful cycle is ending. You're coming out of that cycle. Okay, surrender to the divine. Don't worry, all the things that you want will manifest in the right time. You just need to surrender, and it's every and work without keeping an expectation from like from an outcome. Okay, just work on that. A time for healing. Exactly, it's a time for you to heal. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care.